Produce8 is a work analytics platform that provides insights for digital-first teams to understand how they use their technology and their time. Because no one's workday is the same, teams need this shared understanding to make adjustments to their workflows and measure the impact of these changes over time. Produce8 empowers workers to take control of their digital well-being by identifying worrying patterns such as excessive overtime work or missed breaks. We provide timelines, metrics, and personal insights to give clarity over the often invisible part of work. This can include interruptions, context switching, collaboration, and even the amount of time it can take to refocus. In order to have meaningful conversations and measure the results of changes, we first need data. Here's how you get started. First, create a Produce8 account for free at produce8.com by clicking Sign Up. Then, download the Produce8 browser and desktop extension to automate the data collection. Once you've done this, you can connect to your most popular apps using the app catalog. If you can't see any of your apps there, don't worry. You can create a custom app which takes less than 30 seconds. After that, continue with your workday as normal and come back at the end of the day to review your data within the Produce8 web app. The next day, we'll also send you a report which gives deeper insights into your app interactions, level of focus, and your work habits. Once you're familiar with your personal workspace, create a shared workspace. This is where Produce8 gets really interesting because your team can come together to study your workday and have deeper conversations about collaboration. Send invitations to your team members and they will be prompted to share data from the tools you've already connected to. Your teammates regain full control of their data. If they wish to opt out of sharing data from any apps, they have the ability to do so. We believe that everyone should be in control of their privacy settings. Once the team is connected and has enough data to represent a workday, then continue working for a week, or enough time to identify common work habits. When reviewing the data, look at messaging apps, for example. How are they being used? Are there any areas that can be addressed, such as the cost of frequent interruptions? Then follow with an experiment, like adding asynchronous work hours. By bringing individual and team-based issues to the table, we can collectively discuss what changes can be made so everyone can get their time back and focus on what really matters. Once a plan is in place, return to work with these changes in mind. At any time, you can come back into the Produce8 web app and see the results. With Produce8, you can continuously study, improve work performance, and protect employee well-being. Want to learn more about how digital work analytics can support you? Schedule a demo with us. We'd love to hear more about your goals and how Produce8 can help to support your whole team.